Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite someone to your Elfster Secret Santa. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using Elfster to run a Secret Santa exchange. How do you actually go ahead and invite someone? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Elfster. Then click on the exchange which you want to go ahead and invite someone to. Now, once you're on the exchange page, you want to click on invite more people. So the easier way to do this is I normally like sharing the links without adding names. So you can click on this button here and then copy this invite and send it via text or email so that people can click on this link here and then join your exchange. Once they click on this link, they're going to be prompted to create an account or sign up with their email, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and invite someone to your Elfster Secret Santa. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.